Hi everybody, we're doing partial products for multi-digit multiplication. So our first step is to take the 483 and put it in expanded form because we're trying to break it up into parts. So we're going to do each box. So the 4, the purple, is a 400, and that 8 is an 80, and the 3 is a 3. Each one of those is going to multiply against the 5. Now we're ready to start multiplying. So we're going to do one step at a time, and you can see the colors over here. So this is purple versus red, and then green red, and then blue red. So we're going to follow the arrows too. 400 times 5. As always, when there are zeros, you need to just ignore them. Do 4 times 5, and then put the zeros back in. There we go. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then we'll put those 2 zeros back in. So 400 times 5 is 2,000. Same thing with the 80 times 5. So you're going to ignore the 0, do 8 times 5, and then put the 0 back in. So for 8 times 5, we get 40. And then we stick the 0 back in. All right, last but not least, we'll do blue versus red. So 3 times 5, which is 15. So here's what we have done over here on the right-hand side. We did 400 times 5, which was 2,000, 80 times 5, which is 400, and 3 times 5. So really all you're doing is you're taking each digit in the big number and multiplying it by 5. You just want to remember that this 4 is actually a 400 and the 8 is an 80. And that's why we put it into expanded form first. So now we're going to add them all together. We'll start over here on the right. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. And then 2 plus nothing is 2. So we get 2,415. So feel free to keep watching if you want to see how to do the rest of these. Some of the videos are in worksheet form and some are in digital, but the steps will be the same. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.